Şimdi kalbimde sen beni unuttun.
Çoktan belki de ben hala yaşadım o eski günlerde. Her şeyde sen varsın unutamadım. Her yerde siz varsınız unutamadım.
Kalbim ince bir fidandır, kırma güzel ne olursun. Kalbin ince bir fidandır, kırma güzel ne olursun. Git diyemem, kal diyemem, sen goncasın, gül diyemem. Git diyemem, kal diyemem, sen goncasın, gül diyemem. Çok severim, söyleyemem, sorma güzel ne olursun. Çok severim, söyleyemem, sen goncasın. Boş yere gitmedim. Her şeyi
Very good. Sarafe. Sarafe. Sarafe. Cambodia chomoy.
Chomoy is
Chomoy.
very dangerous.
Chomoy.
İşte you say different.
Wow, an amazing and music.
Kendi aramızda.
I don't understand music in Turkish, but I hear very nice when he play music. Wow. My first time I hear, you know. He very good to play. Yeah. He also in the first time he come to Cambodia and sing it. He very happy and beside that. Also on yeah, he play music for me and also on a lesson like yeah, my first time I hear about music in Turkey and yeah, for sure it's not about YouTube, it's not about TV, but about right now in my face and my hair. Wow, and amazing. I really enjoy tonight. So tonight I'm really happy right now with all my friends from Turkey, like Tina, something like that. You see guys, yeah, like the family, big family. Okay, I want to him to say thank you. I want to he say like Cambodian, say cho mui. Okay, cho mui everyone. Cho mui, cho mui, cho mui, cho mui, cho mui. Cho mui, cho mui, cho mui. Yeah. Very good people. So stay Cambodia.
I know Cambodian.
He said he will love Cambodian.
So like Cambodia.
So stay Cambodian. You see?
I know
Very nice.
Cambodia.
Yeah. I love your country too. And amazing. Everybody and friendly. Wow, and amazing. Okay guys, cheer with me. Cambodia say chomoy. Okay guys, we'll show you around about Cambodian and Siem Reap also everywhere in Cambodian. I will push you guys about you like my video and YouTube. Please, if you love my video, can go to subscribe my video also. I'm YouTube Linda, Cambodian travel. Do you want to know about something when you come to Cambodia? You can comment my YouTube about and want to ask me something. I can tell you how to do. Thank you guys. I will push you about love my YouTube. Thank you so much. Wish you have a great day and with your family. We'll show you another video around in Cambodian. Love you. Bye bye. Have a good night. What is?
Peynir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, me try. Cheers.
Very bad. Bye.
And Cambodia call name alak, like the fruit.
Alak.
Yeah.
Only alak.
Yeah. Alak.
Alak.
Yeah. What English? Sorry. What Turkish say?
Karpuz.
Car fruit.
Karpuz.
Car fruit.
Alak.
Alak.
Bir de